it has break. Oh, me, I don't want any wahala. So guys, my package just arrived from bring it. Where is the pear? Who ate from inside?
The sound that says whether the tea is soft.
Bring my pear for me.
I'll bring the pear.
Okay. They brought corn for me, roasted corn. Let me show you guys. Since I arrived, I've been eating corn, and it's so sweet. So like I was saying, my package arrived from GIG, and I'm about to unbox it for you guys to see. Where is my biro? I'm going to open it up with this, if it's going to open. I don't think so. Let me use this razor blade. In case you see in case you see black thing in my teeth, just know it's the corn I'm eating. So I'm just going to open this right now. So the things I ordered for my iPad, iPad pouch, the case, the what's it called, the cover for the pen. I don't know if that is what it's called. I also ordered for screen protector, because when I bought it, I didn't buy any of that. Imagine, and this items is coming from Lagos, so there was no time for me to do any of that. So I said, okay, when I get to Benin, I'm going to order it. So going to open this right now. It's the way they pack it for me. Like, you think it's something huge that is inside, whereas it's not. Okay. Carton. Well, I love how they protect it, because there are some things that can break, like the screen protector. So this is how this is looking. Still going to open this up. Here's the, open this like so. I don't know why this one is not looking that way. This is one thing about what is it called, what is this camera called? Is it gimbal? I don't know, but it's this is one thing about face tracking camera. What you want to show, it won't show. It will be showing your face, so you have to like raise it up for it to show what you are unboxing. So number one thing here is this pouch, is this case, which I'm going to be doing a separate video to, you know, pack everything, or what is it called. I'm going to be doing a separate video for my Instagram to, you know, show how I'm going to be fixing it, like my iPad accessories. You understand what I'm trying to say? For those who are not following me on Instagram, please kindly do. I update live update there, unlike YouTube, that even if I'm making this video now, I don't know when I'm going to upload it, because I have a lot of videos that I haven't edited that I need to upload before this one. So this is not real time. It is Instagram. You are going to see my real time. Okay. So now this, okay, the case is good. I love it. This is how this is looking here. Don't know if you guys can see it. So I also ordered okay, I think this is where the protector is. Oh, did this lady put some decor for me? Like, what is this one called? See, please, you guys should let me know under the comment section. I don't know what it's called, but I know I didn't order for this. I think this is a free gift. Oh, this is a girl and the long hair. So there is a lot inside. So this one is the, let me open this for you guys to see. This is the screen protector. I love the way they just pack it, because it's expensive. Oh. You know, anything that has to do with iPhone, like Apple phone, they are expensive. Imagine if it was Android phone like Samsung I got in tab, I will get free pen. But you see, Apple, you have to buy the pen separate. You have to buy the pen. Oh, I bought this one also. This is the pen. This is everything. This is what they use in protecting the screen protector. Ah, it has break. Oh, it has break. Oh, it has break. Oh, ha, it's broken. Is the one you see, but let me quickly send it to her. You see, it's broken here. You see, if you look it closely, it's broken. I need to send it to her because this screen protector costs me a lot of money. Let me send it to her. No time to waste. It is broken. They didn't pack it well, so I can't use this. I'll let you know what she decides to do. If she decides to refund or refuse to refund me, I don't want any wahala, you understand? So the money I use in buying this screen protector is a lot. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated later. See ya.
I don't know a lot about life. Half of the day I'm just trying to survive. Stay in the light. I don't know a lot about love, but I bet it better not include giving me up or cut people up. Yeah. So to save my sanity, you be you without me. I can't change your destiny if you don't wanna be free. But if there's one thing I know, it's okay to let go, let go. If there's one thing I know, it's okay, okay. If there's one thing I know, it's okay to let go, let go. If there's one thing I know, it's okay to let go. It's okay, okay. It's okay, okay, okay. It's okay, it's okay, okay. To let go, let go. It's okay, okay. It's okay, okay, okay. It's okay, okay. To let go, let go. Yeah, I know a lot about you and all the unbelievable pain you had to go through. I've seen your blue, but that's no excuse for the way you use my endless sympathy. You kept on playing and rearranging parts of reality, but now I know.
So I just received another package from GEO Logistics, and I'm about to unbox it with you guys. This is what's it called? A hair straightener. I ordered for a, is it straightener? Sorry, it's not straightener. I have hair straightener before. I ordered it on I ordered it from an Instagram vendor. And I don't know if you guys, if I update you guys regarding my iPad accessories like the iPad case, screen protector, and the pencil silicone case. So you know, I told you guys that the screen protector broke, like its line. I have to, like, reach out to the seller. So the seller was trying to say, oh, well, maybe it was me that broke it, this and this. I said no. I know this thing has screen protector. The package has screen protector inside, so there is no way. Oh my god, why is this dog barking? There is no way I will handle it carelessly. So it was not my fault, and she refunded my money. I ordered another thing from her. She forgot to put it. She also refunded that one also. So yeah, this is the, what is falling? This is the, okay, it's just the manual. So this is the, what is it, blow dry or whatever. So this is how it's looking. I hope this doesn't mix. This is the off, low, medium, and high. It's written here. Just turn like this. Turn. Just wanted to quickly show you guys this, and that is it.
no. Come baby, watch a commune. Tell me I like your perfume. Thoughts in my head, Olu Ashanu. Santorini, show my deba. Ile ya, show my way.
Lately, I've just been doing a lot of unboxing, picking up parcel, unboxing. Oh my god. So I just picked up this parcel from GIG. I just got back. I said, let me unbox it with you guys. It's nothing, tangible. It's just my face toner, clear proof. I'll be traveling tomorrow, and who can guess where I'm traveling to? Who can guess? Okay, I think we are done here. So, like I said, I'm traveling tomorrow. Who can guess where I'm traveling to? Like, just guess under the comment section. Let me know if you are right or wrong. So, I got this clear proof. I've been looking for this particular thing in Benin City. I could not get it, so I have to order from an Instagram vendor online. This thing used to be 16,000 naira. Guess how much I bought it? 20,000 naira plus Webi 25,000 naira. 25,000, guys. If you don't have acne on your face, you don't know what the Lord has done for you. Just be praising God. We that have acne, we that are prone to acne, we are going through a lot. You won't understand. If I should show you the product I'm using to manage my acne, you'll be like, oh my dear, don't worry, take this and add to the you'll be like, take this, I use it to support you. So it's a lot. So I'm happy that this got to arrive today, because I'm leaving tomorrow. So I'm happy that it got to arrive today, because there is nothing in this one. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Like, so this is the new one, this is the old one. Nothing left on this. So we finally got this, and I'm so happy. Tomorrow I'm going to pack my bags. I want to be doing travel content. Like you guys, have noticed, I want to stop my vlog, like lifestyle vlog, and start doing travel content. That is where my views are coming from. I'm getting views from the videos, the travel videos I'm uploading. So if you should look back on my, like, you go back to my previous videos, you'll see my lifestyle content, no views. 40, 100, 200. If I manage to get 300, I will be shouting hallelujah. You understand? So I want to stop, although I'll be doing once, not focus on lifestyle content. So I want to mix it up. Travel content, I want to start traveling within Nigeria, and from there we can take it. We can move it forward. So let's start within Nigeria first. Although I'm going to be using travel guide, like tour guide, to take me to places that I won't be able to go alone, and that I won't even know it exists. Although it's going to require a lot of money, but I don't care. I just want to do travel content. I want to start creating travel content, and I hope you guys are going to support me by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting on my videos. Okay, so I'm appreciating the love so far. I do not take it for granted. Thank you so much, guys. I don't know if I will be ending the vlog here, this particular vlog, because I don't know what I'm going to be adding to it, because tomorrow, like I said, I'm traveling. Maybe I'm going to be ending the vlog here. So yeah, so guys, please do well. Ejo bikonu. How will I even say it in Hausa? In Benin we say weawowo. Please, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on that post notification to keep you updated, so that you won't miss any of my videos. Like, share, and comment. See you on my next one.
Life at the party, from my young, tabadele. Why you see me like a jet, turn a man blue, I feel me shit. Bola lama, but he get Mami, your juicy rira. Mami, your tunja meta. Why check up, but I need to.